This is your code book. In this Python tutorial, we are going to discuss about expressions, statements, and operator precedence and associativity. So these concepts are some of the basic building blocks of Python programming. Let's start with one by one. So what is mean by expression? So an expression is a combination of values, variables and operators that gives a result. So let me explain with the example. So consider this one, an expression. The first one, expression is a combination of values. So if you are pressing 5 and press enter, so it is 5 is a value. So this one considers an expression. And next one, variables. So for example, I am updating x is equal to 10, press enter. Now type x, again press enter. You can view the results. So the meaning of that expression, x is equal to 10. So the value of 10 is assigned to that variable x. And third one is the operators. So the operators, for example, x is equal to x plus 20. So now we have updated x value. So press x, type enter. So you can see the output. So this is the legal expressions. So these are the some of the legal expressions. So what is mean by expression? An expression is a combination of values, variables and operators that gives a result. So look at this example. So 5, 10, 30 are the result values. And next one, a statement. So what is mean by a statement? A statement is a unit of code that has an effect. So in this example, reading a value or displaying a value, that considers a statements. For example, so I am going to read a integer number from user end. So input. If you have any queries about this input output statements and integer function, refer my video input output statements in Python. So enter a number. So enter a number. So now I am typing 10. So press x, type enter. So now you can see the output. So here the statement is x is equal to int input, enter a number. This the function has to wait for the user input. So when we type 10, it is assigned to the variable x. So later we can fetch the result, okay, using that variable name from the memory. So these are the some of the example, reading a value or displaying a value. These things are considered as a statement. So a statement is a unit of code that has an effect. So these are the some example for statement. And next part is the operator precedence. So very important thing in most all the programming languages. So when we talk about expression, it may contains more than one operations, more than one operators. So how these operators are evaluated? What is the order we should follow to perform the evaluation of that expression? So operator precedent is when an expression contains more than one operator, the order of the evaluation depends on the order of operations. For example, if my expression is 10 plus 2 into 3. So this is my expression 10 plus 2 into 3. So here I have two operators, one is addition, the another one is the multiplication. So which operator gets evaluated first? So that is a question here. So here for that, these kind of things we should follow the here you can find the table. So operator name, okay, so from the highest priority to lowest priority. So the highest priority is the exponent operator and lowest priority is the logical operators and or not. So this is the order we should follow to evaluate the expressions. So consider this example. Here 10 plus 2 into 3. So look at the table. So multiplication is the highest priority compared to addition. So in this expression, so the multiplication operation is evaluated first. So 2 into 3, 6. This 6 is added to the value 10. So the final result is 16. So this is the operator precedence. So when an expression contains more than one operator, the order of evolution, okay, so this is the very important, the order of evolution depends on the order of the operations. So this is the order from highest priority to lowest priority. So one more example we can give. So 2 into 3 into 1 or 2. Okay, so here 2 to the power of 3 into 2. So we have two operators, one is exponent and multiplication. So according to this table, exponent is the highest priority. So 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 8 into 2, 16. So that is the answer. If you change the order, for example, to and then exponent of 3, so we will get the same result, because so the order of operation is very important. Okay, so refer this table for operator precedence. And you should remember this one in mathematical subjects we studied about this BODMAS rules. So here BMDAS. So first one, parenthesis, exponentiation. So why I am giving multiplication and division in the same line? Because both has the same priority, and addition and subtraction also same priority. So parenthesis gets more priority. For example, if you are giving let's take the previous one here. Okay, so in bracket 10 plus 2 into 3. So what is the answer? So just to guess the answer. So here 10 plus 2, 12, 12 into 3, 36. So according to this one, parenthesis followed by exponentiation and then multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. For your easy understanding, I have provided this one. So this is the actual operator precedent, highest to lowest priority. And the next one, associativity. So what is mean by associativity? For example, 10 into 2 divided by 2. So here I have, in this expression I have two operators, one is multiplication and division. So here the multiplication and division has the same priority. Okay, so according to operator precedence table, so this multiplication and division operation has the same priority. So which one gets evaluated first? So this type of things solved by associativity. So what is mean by associativity? So the associativity defines the direction in which the operators of same precedence are evaluated. It can be either from left to right or right to left. So the direction is two ways, one is left to right or right to left. So when we are checking this associativity means if the operators has the same precedence. Okay, so consider this example. So 10 into 2 divided by 2. So here multiplication and division has the same priority. So again I have added one more column to the existing operator precedence table. So here look at the associativity except exponent and assignment operator. Okay, so exponent and assignment operators are the right to left associativity. Okay, right to left associativity, rest of them left to right. Okay, so consider this expression. So 10 into 2 divided by 2. So the associativity is the left to right. So multiplication operation takes place first. So 10 into 2, 20. So 20 divided by 2, it is 10.0, because this is not a floor division, normal division. So always it fetch the result with floating point. Okay, so this is the associativity. So consider one more example. If I am giving to exponent 3, exponent 2, so look at the associativity, it is right to left. Okay, so the associativity is the right to left. So 2 to the power of 3, 3 to the power of 2. So the first one, this one is evaluated first. Okay, so 3 to the power of 2 and followed by 2 to the power of the answer. Okay, so let's check the answer. So it is 512, because 3 to the power of 2 is 9 and 2 to the power of 9 is equal to 512. So this is because of this associativity right to left. So okay, remember this one, this exponent and assignment operators, the associativity is the right to left, and the remaining operators or the associativity is the left to right. We can easily remember this one. So the associativity is the, we are defining the direction. Okay, so when we are defining this direction means if the expression contains the same precedence. Okay, so the operators of same precedence, and the direction is from left to right or right to left. And find your output. What is the value of x? The expression is x is equal to 20 divided by 2 plus 5 into 2 exponent 3 floor division 2. So find the correct answer and write your answer in the comment section. So far we have discussed 3 parts in Python. One is about expression, the second one is statements, third one is operator precedence, and fourth one is associativity. So thank you everyone.